Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2016 Ram 2500. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Ram 2500 has what it takes to get the big jobs done right. It's infused with heavy-duty capability, connected, convenient, comfortable, and built to last. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, chrome wheels, heated mirrors, keyless start, fog lamps, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Don't take risks in a truck that's not up to the task. Get the Ram 2500 and power up.